Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to display popular searches as a complementation or supplementation to your search results on the google.com website. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the website on your device, and after that you should tap on the settings button down below in the right side corner of the screen. Then tap on the search settings button at the top. Then go to this left side column of the screen and tap on the first one. Scroll down a bit to this section where you can set whether you would like the system to complement your search results automatically with the most popular searches. So if you would like to do so, just tap onto this first circle. However, if you do not want to display it, just tap on this other button so they won't be shown to you. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.